Hello friends, welcome to my channel JM Learning. Today we'll going to learn the most important topic, that is how to rescue a person from electric shock. Now there is always a possibility for everyone that he will come in a situation in which he has to do something to rescue a person who has got an electric shock. Now before we go in detailing of this video, I will suggest you to watch my previous video on electric shock, the reason, effect and factors. The link of that video is given in the description box. Do watch it. Now let us start how to rescue a person from electric shock. The two most important steps which we have to follow to save a life of victim. Here victim is the person who has got an electric shock. Immediately you have to switch off the main supply. That is the most important and very urgent thing we have to do in rescuing a person from electric shock. Now the main supply will have a locations and it will have a main switch shown in this figure. Now how to do it? Now to do of switching off the supply, you have to use a wooden rod to operate the main switch, because the main switch will usually located at a somewhat higher height where our hands cannot be reached. It is always better practice to stand on a wooden platform to switch off the main supply, because you may not have a shoes or any insulated things. In that case the wooden platform will be the better option to switch off the supply. The second most important thing you have to do is the remove the victim from a charged body. Now the charged body means the body of the victim is at certain electric potential, and we have to remove that victim by use of certain insulated things, because if you directly do it, then you will be directly coming in contact with the charged body of the victim and you will also get an electric shock. So always remember never to directly remove the victim, but you always use the insulated things to isolate the victim from charged body. Now how to do it? Because insulated things means what? The question is answered here. For insulated things you can use insulated sticks, which is available in industrial or commercial installations. Now in residential cases it may not be there. In that case everybody is having the newspaper in his home, so you can use the newspapers. That will be helpful in removing the victim from the charged body. Or if you are having the rubber hand gloves, wear it immediately and remove the victim, because this is the most reliable thing, insulated things. Then you can also use a wooden board. It many times happen that certain wooden board may be near the location where the victim has received electric shock. Take it that wooden board and remove the victim from charged body, that electric supply. Or you can use a wooden rod, so that the wooden rod is a insulated things and the victim can be removed easily. Now in most of the home we are having a broom. The handle of broom will be very much helpful in this case, because this handle is made from the insulated things and that will help to remove the victim. So you have to do it immediately. Whatever you are having these options, you have to immediately pick up that option and remove the victim, because every second is very important in this case, that can save the life of a victim. The third most important thing is that after removing the victim, you have to place the victim in comfortable place in a nearby location. You have to generally avoid to place the victim in AC room, because the condition in AC rooms are artificially created. It is always better to place the victim in natural condition where we can do certain things on him. Now the fourth important thing is that provide the artificial respiration if required. How to do the artificial respiration? Here are the two simple methods shown here. Many of you may be aware of it. If you are not aware of it, then you have to practice this, because there may be a situation in which you have to apply the artificial respiration. If required, you have to only apply this artificial respiration, because if the victim is having the natural breathing, though there is no need to apply the artificial respiration in that case. Sixth is that immediately call the doctor. Then never give the victim any kind of liquid until suggested by doctor. It many times happens that the victim has the unconscious position or situation, in which case we want to give him certain water or another liquid. So this must be avoided until and unless suggested by the doctor. Then remove any foreign particle that may be present in victim mouth. There is possibility that the victim mouth may be having certain foreign particles that must be immediately removed. Now why it is needed? Because these foreign particles will be hurdle if we are in situation to provide him the artificial respiration. Then in case the victim cloth have catch the fire, then you have to wrap the blanket around the victim and save him from the fire also. In that case you must first ensure that the supply is made of, then only you have to apply this particular step. With this, I think I have discussed the most important things to rescue a person from getting an electric shock. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and share it.